Welcome to Volatility 411 for Equity Armor Investments and the last time of 2022. I'm Joe Tigay. Let's jump right into it. The S&P 500 and the VIX have seen a wild ride in 2022. We also have had a wild ride so far today. We opened the day higher. We then went lower. We're now sucking right into this huge gravitational pull of 38.35. I'll get into that later in the show. The VIX, for its part, started the day lower. We went higher this morning, and now we're back down to close to flat, down small at 2160 in the VIX. Again, that's a low level for the VIX. It's on the lower end of the range, and not surprising, December is a low volatility month. And looking back at 2022, we saw the low of the VIX right at the start of the year, January 3rd, 1635. January is a low volatility month, but the VIX has done nothing but up so far this year. And we really saw the peak in a high volatility month also right at the start of the year in February. We saw the VIX peak at 38.90. Fascinating to see a lot of that action really early in the year. Will we see more action similar to that in 2023? We'll have to wait and see, but we should remember January is a low volatility month. February is a high volatility month. So back to this 38.30 spot where the market seems to want to settle in here. There's a lot of gravitational pull here. There's a lot of options expiring at this spot. Not a lot of trading activity. So maybe people are expecting to see what is called a pin at a high open interest strike in the S&P 500. That's one possibility. Now, with a lot of attention being put on this possibility, maybe people are trying to pile onto that trade that might work against that pin possibility. And with this gravitational pull, if we can get outside this gravitational suction, if we can get that terminal velocity, I think that'll be about 1.5 or 2% outside that mark in the next day and a half, then you might see the market really move, propel it away further than you would otherwise expect. So I think we're either going to stick here for the next few days, or if we can get outside of 1.5 to 2% away, we might see a bigger than expected move. For Equity Armor Investments, I'm Joe Tigay.